Can you read this story for us?
We're inside the book. Once upon a time, Harris went out and read and checked out books. And he liked his book bag. He checked out some books. And then he went and tried. After that, he went and played at the playroom. And then he left. But when the playroom closed, he left. And then he went and but before he left, he got some videos. Then he left.